everyone, Emily Allison here on Emily Everything. Thank you for joining me today. And in this video, I am going to teach you a Kundalini Yoga exercise called Inner Conflict Resolver Reflex. So if you would like more of these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel Emily Everything, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified when I put out more videos like this one. So as we begin, the first thing we need to do in Kundalini Yoga is to tune in with the mantra Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. We do that 3 times, and then I'll begin explaining the exercise. So rub your hands together. Place your hands at your heart, drop your shoulders, inhale, exhale, inhale and begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. And relax and breathe naturally. Okay, so Inner Conflict Resolver Reflex. Now we're sitting in easy pose. This is easy pose, little crisscross applesauce, and with a light Jalandhar band. And maybe you have heard of this before in my previous videos, but Jalandhar band is squeezing the muscles of the anus, sex organs, and the navel. So we just practice that all together. Squeeze, 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 and release. So it's kind of an interesting feeling. It's not something we're super familiar with, but with practice, you get to do it. So that's going to be going on sort of in the background, something to be mindful of while we're doing this exercise. Now, the eye position is closing the eyes 9/10 of the way. So it's basically just very closed eyes with a little tiny slit open. And the mudra, the hand position, is placing the hands over the chest. Let me move my hair out of the way here. Placing the hands over the chest with the palms on the torso at the level of the breasts. The fingers point toward each other across the chest. And the breath, the key to this meditation is attention to the breath. So first thing happens is an inhale deeply and completely for 5 seconds. So that would be, and then exhale completely 5 seconds. And hold the breath out for 15 seconds. And as you're suspending the breath, you suspend the chest motion as you pull in on the navel point and the abdomen while you're suspending the breath out. That's after you exhale. So normally this is going to happen for 11 minutes. We're only going to do this for 3 minutes together in this video. Feel free to practice it for yourself. Set a timer for 11 minutes. Something you can work up to. Do 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 11 minutes. You work into it. So, and to end, inhale deeply, stretch the arms up over the head and relax the breath and shake the arms and the hands for about 15 to 30 seconds and then relax. Okay, so I keep moving my hair, sorry about that. Okay, so place the hands over the chest. And let's begin. Inhale through the nose for 5 seconds. Exhale 5 seconds through the nose. Suspend the breath out for 15 seconds. While pulling the navel in. Inhale. Exhale. Suspend the breath 15 seconds while pulling the navel in. Inhale. Exhale. Suspend the breath, pull the navel in. Inhale. Exhale. Suspend the breath out. Pull the navel in. Do the best you can. Inhale for 5 seconds. Exhale. Suspend the breath, pull the navel in. Hold as long as you can for 15 seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Suspend the breath, pull the navel in. Inhale. Exhale. Hold the breath out. Pull the navel in as you hold the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Suspend the breath out. Inhale. Stretch the arms up over the head. Exhale, relax the arms and hands. Roll the shoulders. Breathe naturally. And just give yourself a moment to experience what you're experiencing. Just sit in your body. Feel everything that you're feeling. And let me tell you the comments while you're coming back to yourself. This is a form of ancient therapy. We are often confused and held in deadlock when inner conflict blocks our ability to think and act clearly. In these moments, the mind's prana, or energy, is scattered and distributed in a disturbed manner. This breath pattern holds the breath out 3 times as long as it is held in. So the body senses a lack of prana in vital energies areas of functioning and asks how it can quickly and optimally recognize itself to respond to this survival threat. The fibres of the pranic body extend and rechannel the prana to form a new pattern filled with clarity and action potential. Your built-in computer can calculate your total resources and the level of challenge. Then design a strategy to prepare and use the mind and body effectively. This meditation resolves many conflicts and is an automatic reflex for survival. Inner conflict is the result of excess or disturbed prana, or energy. The effect is certain, gradual, and simple. Be honest with the breath timing, and the meditation will be honest with you. So, now you've learned Inner Conflict Resolver Reflex. Thank you for joining me today, and as we close with every Kundalini Yoga exercise, we close with a long Sat Nam. So, rub your hands together. Bring them to heart center. Drop your shoulders. Inhale and begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. And Sat Nam means truth is my identity. My identity is the truth. It is the seed mantra for all of Kundalini Yoga. So thank you for joining me today. My name is Emily Allison. This is Emily Everything. And if you would like more videos like this, please like and subscribe and send me a little comment below and let me know what your experience was like for this exercise. And stay tuned. We will see you in another Kundalini Yoga exercise. Ciao for now.